What's up, guys? Actually, wait a minute. Better. Hope y'all are doing well. I just wanted to take a couple minutes to talk about a project I just got done with my transmitter. A couple people showed some interest in hearing about what I've done, mods, things like that. So I figure we'll get into it and catch up a little bit. As some of you know, I like to paint my frames. With it getting to winter, I decided that it was time to invest in an airbrush and something like this. You can get a nice kit off Amazon. Yeah, I'll have another video that's going to talk more about that and give links and things like that. So, before I get into it, I want to say my next video coming out here in a couple weeks, I actually still have my original shell left over, and I'm going to do a step-by-step instruction on how to paint one of these and do the design, and then at the end of it, I'm actually going to give it away to one of you. So I'll give details of the contest and everything like that in that video, but be excited for that. Without further ado, let's get to the bed. Alright, y'all. This is my FR Sky QX7. Before I ever did any of the paint job or anything, I had upgraded to the M7 gimbals. I absolutely love these. And then got the crossfire in the back. Some of the other things I did, the kickstand. If you don't have a kickstand yet for your radio, get one. They're like $6 on Amazon, and they're totally worth it. So yeah. So as I mentioned, I recently got an airbrush, and I've always wanted to do a custom paint job on my transmitter. Something to just do a little bit different and set myself apart. So what I did first is tore everything down, and I ordered a shell off of Progressive RC. It was like $20, something like that. So that way I could actually get the shell done, and if I screwed it up, I still had my original transmitter, so it was no big deal. So I taped everything off that I wanted to tape off, the grips on the back, things like that. Sprayed the whole thing in white primer, and then went and I have this pearlescent green paint, which is actually a mixture of this pearl and this pearl to give me the color that I wanted. And then once I did the whole thing over, I went through and I shaded the corners and the edges with this pearl purple to give it kind of that worn radioactive look. And then after that, I cleared it with automotive clear coat. And besides that, I went ahead and I got this stealth balancer, which is pretty sweet. I like it a lot so far. It's good. It's out of the way. You don't have to reach around to hit your power button. And also, I got that from Aloft Hobbies, and I also got this from Aloft Hobbies. These are aluminum CNC gimbals, gimbal rings. They call them bezel ring, bling rings, I think is what they call them. These are super nice. They actually give you a little bit of more room and play. And there's a spacer in it that has it at the normal setting. If you want to go through and actually cut down the mounting parts, you can actually bring it up higher. That's something I might do later, but I don't know. And then besides that, I cut these two switches because they're really long. I don't really use them anyway, and they're just getting in the way. I can still use them, but they're just much more small and manageable. I covered the logo here with just some vinyl tape along with over the button here. I think the whole thing came out pretty good. It looks nasty. I really, really like it. I hope the video does it justice. It's really something cool to see in person. And it turned out great. I'm really happy with it. So as I said, I'll be doing a beginning to end paint job on my other shell, and we'll do a giveaway with that. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please like, subscribe. I will be putting some more content out. Been a little busy with some of my side work. And yeah, hope to see you all soon.